Hello, I am Bohriali from Bohriali. After conducting countless workshops on Jesmonite and teaching so many enthusiasts, I'm thrilled to guide you through using this art party kit by Haksons and being the best art party host ever, even if you've never done this before. But before we dive into setting up your space, I recommend watching all the videos carefully before your friends arrive. This way, you're going to master the art before the party even begins. And don't worry, we've provided you with a small blueprint to refer to in case you need a quick reminder for something. First, let's create the perfect setting for our art party. Choose a space where everyone can gather around, like a dining table or a spacious living room. You can even host this party outdoors or on the floor. Spread the work-on sheet across the table to catch any spills. Make sure each guest has enough room to work comfortably. Next, organize your kit, place the molds, base liquids, powders, and tools within your reach. The first step to creating your art. Now, with a space set up, we are ready to jump into create stunning Jesmonite art pieces. You need to first take the bottle marked with splatter liquid and pour it into a paper glass. This will most probably be a white or a black color, unless you have requested for a customization. Next, you will find the splatter base powder in a transparent ziploc. You need to pour this into the glass on top of the liquid. It is crucial to add the liquid before you add the powder. This is going to ensure that you get a smooth mix. Use the mixing stick to blend them thoroughly. Ensure no powder remains unmixed by scraping the glass's sides. Remember, you're the host and you will be doing the mixing. Now, place the molds as you like. They can either be in a group in the middle or everyone can have their molds near themselves. Give each guest a splatter stick and they can use the stick to flick some mixture onto their molds. This is where you let your creativity shine and you can have fun. Now, on to selecting our base color. Since you're the host, you'll be guiding this process. Offer each guest a choice of base liquid color. Then, provide them with a pouch marked base powder. Instruct them to pour the base liquid first into the glass and then follow it by base powder. It is crucial to add the liquid just as you had done before. Give everyone a mixing stick and show them how you need to mix the liquid and the base. Then, you need to pour this mixture over the splattered molds. It's going to take about 30 minutes to harden, and this is a great time for you to relax. Now, after waiting for 30 minutes, it's the time to check if our pieces are set. Run your nail across a piece. If it doesn't leave a mark, it's ready to be demolded. And this is the most exciting part. You need to carefully remove the pieces from the molds, ensuring not to damage the edges. After this, you need to mix the sealer with an equal amount of water in a paper glass. Use the sealer brush to apply a thin layer over each piece. This makes sure that your art is going to stay beautiful over time. Congratulations! You're all set to now host an unforgettable art party. Enjoy your creations and the memories made today.